Sirsasana, Vajrasana, Supta Vajrasana. Hands on your knees, thighs or in prayer position. Awareness on your breath, or you can follow any technique of meditation. Take 2 long and deep breaths. Breathe in. Gently open your eyes. Inhale, arms overhead. Keep your back straight or lean back. And exhale, slide your arms forward. Inhale on your knees, hands, cobra or facing round back or straight leg, downward facing dog. Keep your heels high. Inhale, move front in plank. Exhale, drop your knees, toes point, hands under your shoulder. Head and how. Inhale, chin up, look up, press your navel down. Exhale, round back, look at your navel. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Just push your navel for up and down. Inhale. Exhale. Round back, toes together, sit on the heels or hip bone. Adjust your hands back, open shoulders. Whenever you're ready, inhale, push your hips forward, chest up. Look front, up or back. 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale, hips down, inhale, arms overhead, straight back or lean back. Exhale, slide your arms forward without lifting the hips. Inhale, on your knees, hands, cobra or up facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog, keep your heels high, back straight. Inhale, move front in plank. Exhale, drop your knees, adjust your hands. With inhale, navel down, chin up, look up. Exhale, round back, look at your navel. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Sit back on your heels or hip bone. Adjust your hands close or far. Whenever ready, inhale, push your hips forward. Stretch your thighs, stretch your belly, chest up. Open shoulders more. Breathe. 5 in the front. 4. Hips more forward, thighs more forward. 3. 2. Exhale, hips down. Inhale, arms to your head. Lean back, open shoulders. Exhale, slide your arms forward. Inhale, cobra or facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, move front in plank. Just hold here or with exhale. Chaturanga. If you want more easy variation, just drop your knees down and bend your elbow. Or you can take 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, bend your elbows. Inhale and exhale, bend your elbows more, slow. 5, 4. Keep your legs active in Chaturanga. 3. Shoulders back, elbows in, neck relax. 2. Inhale, cobra or up facing. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again inhale, move front in plank. Exhale, drop your knees. Pose point, you can separate your feet. Simple variation this one, or stand on your knees, hands on back, then slide your arms down, hands on your feet. Any variation you like. Just sit forward, stretch your thighs, stretch belly. 5. If you feel comfortable, you can look back, otherwise look front, bend up. 4. 3. 2. Breathe, inhale, back center, exhale, hips down. Inhale, arms over your head, palm facing front, open your shoulders more. And exhale, slide your arms forward. Inhale, cobra, up facing. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, move front in plank. Same, hold here or hold in Chaturanga. Hips high, legs active, shoulders relaxed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, up facing your cobra. Again exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, move front in plank. And exhale, drop your knees down, sit back on your heels, hip bone or stand on your knees with inhale. And exhale, just push your hips forward, chest up. Any variation like a simple one, hands back, more. 5, 4. You may hold your ankles. Keep your arms straight, go down, touch your head back and down. 3. Laghu Vajrasana. 2. Inhale, back center, exhale, hips down. Last inhale, arms over your head. And exhale, slide your arms forward. Hips back, your fingertips, head up. And keep your chest up, breathe, inhale. And exhale, turn to right. Navel out from right side, go more forward, left, stretch your left side, hips back. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, back to center, exhale to left. Navel out from left, stretch right side, keep your hips back and down. Your head between your arms, or you can drop your head down to relax. Inhale, back center, cobra up facing. Heels facing up, shoulders back and relax. And exhale, downward facing dog. Keep your heels high. Inhale, move front in plank. And exhale, drop your knees, toes point, hands under the shoulders. Look front with inhale, stretch your right leg back. Left arm front, thumb facing up or palm facing down. Keep your right leg straight or you can bend your knee, just push your thigh more up. Breathe, inhale. And exhale, bring your right knee front, you can hold or left hand down. Then if you are holding, hold your knee, bring your knee more front and up. And foot front to your right hand. Otherwise, right hand down, press your palms, push your knee up and front. Inhale, stretch your right leg back, left arm front. With exhale, any variation, like left hand down, right knee front and up, or you can hold the right knee, then push your knee up and foot front. 3 more times, inhale. And exhale, keep your hand flat. Knee in, close to your chest, inhale. And exhale. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Inhale, stretch back, left hand down, tuck your left toe in. With exhale, stretch your left leg, open right knee. Keep your right knee bent, open your right knee first, then push your right knee up. Otherwise, simple, just keep opening your right knee close to your hip. Shoulders back and in, head in. Look under your right shoulder. Left heel up, or you can press your left heel down, right, push your left thigh back. Focus more on opening your right knee. 3, 2, high close to your hips, hands flat, inhale, step your right foot front, your heel wrist in one line. And exhale, back knee down or up, open right knee or right knee in, just hold here or stretch your arms forward. Hips down, chest up, head down, back thigh up. Front knee in one line. Breathe and go more forward. You straight arms so you can drop your elbows down. Keep holding here or hands back, straight arms, open right knee more, hips more down, chest up. Go left hand to your right foot, open right shoulder, simple, right hand on your back. If you are comfortable here, tuck your back toe in first. Tuck your back toe in first, push your left knee more back. Yeah, so hips more back, left knee more back. Then bend your back knee, hold your foot. Open right shoulder. Open right shoulder. Open right shoulder more if you are holding your back foot. Hips more down. Knee more, go picture go. Hold for 10. 3, open this, yeah. Open right shoulder, open right knee up here. 2, open this out, open right shoulder. 1, inhale, release, back center. Back knee up or down. You just stretch your front leg. So back knee up or down, just stretch front leg. Flex right foot. Any variation you like. Keep pressing your palms, go forward with your navels. But if you are here, go forward with your navel. Keep back straight. Back knee up, down, keep your front leg straight, go forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale, bend your front knee, stretch back leg, press your palms beside right foot or front, and exhale. Just again same, just press your navel down, left thigh up. So if you work on this, it will be easy to do handstand. Navel down, back thigh up, press palms, keep your arms straight, strong arms. Hands under your shoulders or beside your right foot. If you feel overstretching on your right leg, you can slightly bend your right knee. Otherwise, keep your leg straight. Just slow. Choose any variation. Easy one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Press your palms. Keep your arms strong. Just lift your right heel as high as possible. So if you press your navel down, push your left thigh up. It will be easy to lift your right heel, then toes. So right foot off the mat if possible. Otherwise, only right heel. So go for handstand. Keep your legs open. So simple technique. Keep pushing your navel down. Right thigh, left thigh up. No times. If possible, simple way. Just here, navel down, left thigh more up. Work here, work here. So work on pushing your navel down, left thigh up. So right heel will come up easily. Hands back, straight arm, and keep your arm strong. Keep looking between your hands. Otherwise, simple. Just hold, right heel up, left thigh up. Simple, just hold here. And shift body weight more on your hands, your heel will come up easily. Just hold for 5 to 10 breaths. If you are tired, you can go back to downward facing dog anytime. Otherwise, keep trying for 5 to 10 breaths. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, move front in plank. And exhale, drop your knees down, adjust your hands under your shoulders. And look front, inhale, stretch your left leg back, right arm front, thumb facing up or palm down. And exhale, bend your left knee, bring your knee front, you can hold, so keep pressing your left palm down. Knee more front and up. Inhale, stretch your legs, stretch your arm. And exhale, choose any variation like right hand down or hold your left knee with your right hand. Again, inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, stretch back, tuck your right toe in. With exhale, stretch your right leg, open your left knee. Open left left knee first, then push your left knee up. Shoulders more back, right thigh more back. 3 more. 2. Thigh close to your hips. Hands flat, inhale, step your left foot front. Front knee is aligned, adjust your back knee, up or down, just stretch your arm front or just hold it. Just press your hips down, navel down, keep your chest up. And hold for 10 breaths. Keep holding here or with inhale. Back knee down, straight arms. So tuck your toe in, move your right knee more back. Hold left foot, open left shoulder. Simple one, just open your left shoulder, press your hips down. If you are holding your back foot, make sure your hips down, not up. Just 5 more. 4. 3. 2. Release. Inhale front. Adjust the hand. The left foot. Leg the right knee down. Just stretch front leg. Or stretch your back leg. Flex your left foot. Back knee up or down. Just stretch your front leg. Keep your back straight. Hands beside left foot or go more forward. Hips more back and down, navel more front and up. Inhale, bend your front knee, exhale, fold forward. Same, just focus more on pressing your navel down, right thigh up. Hands under your shoulders, okay, more close to your foot, okay. Just go for stretching this time. Hold 10 breaths here first. So whenever you're releasing, shift body weight on your hands, navel more down, right thigh more up, left knee as high as possible. So without jumping, try to go to handstand. Keep looking between your hands versus looking in. Try for 5, 10 times. After that, jump back to plank or chaturanga. Jump back to plank or chaturanga. Hold there for 3 breaths only. Chaturanga. without plank. Just lay down on your belly. Hands back, palm facing up, relax your shoulders, head down. Stretch your legs more back, heel facing up. 5, 4, 3, chest more up, 2, 1. Hands beside your chest, simple one, shoulders back. So hands beside your navel. Inhale, up facing dog or cobra. Round back if you feel back pain, otherwise straight legs back to downward facing dog with exhale. Bend your knees, inhale, step or jump, just your feet behind your hands. So small toe parallel to each other, knees slightly bent or stretch. Just keep your back straight, stretch your arms down without moving your hips forward. Keep your hips back, just go forward. The straight leg or knee slightly bent, head down. If you are comfortable here, you can raise your arms up. One by one or together. Hold for 10 breaths. Your arms beside your ears. Shoulders back and relax. Just stretch your arms only. Shoulders relax, thumb facing up or palm facing down. If you raise your arms, keep your belly firm to support your back. Just 5 more. 5. Now change it out. 4. 'Navel down, shoulders more up. 3. Versus navel up, shoulders down. 2. Exhale, arms down, chest up, hands on your back. Just press your hips down. With inhale, slowly come up in standing. With exhale, just push your hips forward. Stretch your belly, chest up, look front. Again, inhale, back to center, exhale, half bend only. Just 2 more times, inhale, back to center, up. Keep your hands on back, or this time you can slide your arms down with exhale. And keep lifting your chest up. Just 1 more time, inhale, back to center, exhale. Go more down, hands back, interlock your fingers, open your shoulders. Keep your back straight if you want to work on back. But if you just want to work on opening your shoulders, you can round your back, then open your shoulder. It will be easy to open shoulder when you round your back. But it will be better if back straight, you work on opening your shoulders. 4, 3, 2, inhale, bend your knees, just stretch your legs. And exhale, just push your hips forward. If you are not comfortable here, you can release your fingers anytime, hands on your back. 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale, slowly come up, and again exhale, fold forward, knees bent, belly on your thighs, interlock your elbows, head down, relax here. So 2 way to come up, round back, slowly come up, or straight back, slowly come up, anywhere if you like. Round back or straight back, arms down. Step 1 foot back. So Hatha Surya Namaskar, Bhuvana teach. No same students, today different. Just 2 rounds. Anyone.
Is it sunset position?
Surya Namaskar, Hatha Surya Namaskar.
I'm going to exhale, touch your ankles. Keep your back straight. Take many breaths and step back with your right leg. It's a horse riding pose. Open your shoulders and your chest. Step back with your left foot. It's a plank. Hold your breath and exhaling 8-point position. Cobra. Downward looking dog. Step forward with your left leg. Into horse riding pose. Open your shoulders and your chest. Step forward with your right leg. Touch your ankles and keep your back straight. Slowly come up and slightly bend back.
Complete round, left side.
Other side also?
Yes.
Okay. Forward fold. Keep your back straight. Put your right leg back. It's a horse riding pose. Open your chest and your shoulders. Put your hands beside your neck. Go back into plank. Hold your breath. 8-point position. Go from here into cobra. Down into facing dog. And I don't remember which leg now. Breath. Go forward with your left leg. It's a horse riding pose. Open your chest and your shoulders. Inhale. Put your arms straight and relax. Touch your ankles and keep your back straight. And slowly come up and slightly bend.
Just one more, anyone.
Right, guys, 1 feet measure.
No Ashtanga.
Release your hand. So deep inhale and exhale. So inhale and exhale. Bring your palms front of the chest. Your thumb touch your sternum. As I inhale, raise your hands up and slowly arch back. And exhale, bend forwards. Grab your ankles. Keep your back straight. Your abdomen touch to your thighs. And inhale, right leg step back. And right knee on the floor and interlock your fingers behind your back and slowly arch and look front. And exhale, both palms on the floor, left leg step back, come to the plank pose. Let's call it Santulanasana. As I inhale and exhale, bend the knee, chest in on the floor, 8 parts on the ground. Let's call it Ashtanga Namaskar. And inhale, raise the trunk up. This is a cobra pose. And exhale, tuck your toe and lift your butt up. It's a mountain pose. Mountain pose is a feet together. And downward dog is feet apart. This hip distance. And inhale, left leg back, step forward. Come to the horse riding pose. It's called as Aswasanchalan Asana. Interlock your fingers behind your back. And stretch your right thigh. And exhale, both palms on the floor. And right leg step back. Slowly bend the knee, keep your back straight and your abdomen touch to your thigh. And inhale, raise the hands up and slowly arch back. And exhale, bend forward. Keep your back straight, grab your ankle. And inhale, left leg step back. And interlock your fingers behind your back. Come to the horse riding pose. That's called as Aswasanchalan Asana. And exhale, both palms on the floor and right leg step back. Come to the plank pose. That's called as Santulan Asana. Engage your core. And inhale and exhale, bend the knee, chest in on the floor. That's called as Stang Namaskar. And inhale, raise the tongue up. Cobra pose. It's called as Bhujangasana. Look front. And exhale, touch your toe and lift your butt up. Downward dog, facing dog. And inhale, raise the right leg up and step forwards. Come to the horse riding pose. Interlock your fingers behind your back and stretch your left thigh. And exhale, both palms on the floor, left leg step back. Slowly bend the knee, grab your ankle, keep your back straight. Your abdomen touches your thigh. And inhale, raise the hands up and slowly arch back. And exhale, bring your palms front of the chest and release your pose.
Relax for few breaths first. Alright guys, same. One foot back, open mat, feet together, so quick toes touching each other, heels slightly down. Keep your knees relaxed. So from beside or from inhale, arms over the head, keep your back straight. So just push your navel forward and down with exhale. Keep your shoulders open, arms up. So as slow as possible. Knees slightly bent or you can stretch. Slightly bent for those whose hamstring calf already open. Fully stretch for those whose hamstring calf still stiff. With exhale, arms down, just beside your feet, bend your knees, press your palms, thighs close to your ribs. Step or jump back to Chaturanga, or if you can lift upper, then step or jump back. Plank or Chaturanga. Shoulders back and down in the up facing dog or cobra. Keep your breath more active. Make the downward facing dog. Same, if you don't get confused, left leg for left side, right leg for right side. Inhale, step your right foot front, hands flat, eyes close to your rib. Press your back heel, right hand in, use fingertips. So right hip in, knee out. So your hip bone and right knee in one line, open left shoulder. Left hand on back, up in any variation like, or left hand on your right thigh. Press outer edge of your back foot. You can press your hips more down, just keep front knee heel in one line, open your back foot more. So hip forward, knee back. So this in one line versus right knee in, hip back. So hip in, knee back, straight.
The arm inside out.
Inside out. Left hand on back, on right thigh or up, just open your upper shoulder. Whenever comfortable, start stretching your front leg without moving your left shoulder down. Keep your left shoulder open, your upper shoulder open. Just stretch your front leg, slow. If you cannot, just keep your right knee bent. If you're comfortable here, stretch your front leg. If you're comfortable here, right hand to your upper shoulder open, hand to your thigh. If you're comfortable here, press your palm down. And your lower shoulder relax. Roll your shoulder out to relax. If you are comfortable here, start bending your elbow. Touch your elbow down. Keep your upper shoulder open. Hold 5 more. 4. 3. 2. If you're holding here, keep holding. Open left shoulder, just bend your front knee. If you want easy variation, left hand here on your back. Otherwise, keep holding your thigh, right hand front, stretch left leg. Open left shoulder, open left leg. So left leg as high as possible, right arm straight. So back leg as high as possible, the hand you're using on mat, floor, straight under your shoulder. Use fingertips or you can press palm. So your toe facing my side. Keep pressing inner edge of your right foot, down foot. If you are comfortable here, same. Just bend your elbow, bend more, so your shoulder close to your knee. So your right shoulder close to knee, back leg more up. Hold for 5 breaths. Otherwise, go for simple variation. Hand on back, down arm straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In breathe, inhale, exhale, bend your front knee again, adjust your back foot down. Inhale, lift your torso up, right arm up, simple one. Left hand back, right arm up. Otherwise, hands back, interlock your fingers. This way. Stretch front side, keep your back straight, you can lean back. So stretch front side. Hips more down, keep your front knee bent. If you feel tired, you can stretch your front leg. So your navel facing my side, open your knee more out. Three more. 2. Inhale, back center, exhale. Right shoulder in. Hold your right ankle, bring your right shoulder more in and out. Simple one, just hold here or lift your back heel up, then stretch your arms outside or hands back, interlock finger, hold your left hip, back heel up, right shoulder in. Lift your back heel up. Now, right hip down,
The back heel is like this.
back heel up, right shoulder in, hold anchor,
Yeah.
left hand down, simple. Both hands back, interlock finger or hold right wrist. Yes, just simple here, hold. For right ankle, shoulder in, left hand on your back. When you're comfortable here, both hands on your back. So you can stretch your arms outside. Just hold 5. Just more down. 4. Shoulder more in. 3. पकड़ो हाथ पीछे. 2. Simple release chaturanga. Otherwise, keep your right shoulder in. Keep right shoulder in, hands out, lift your hips up, stretch front leg. Knee out, bend elbows. Just hold here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or back up. Then step. Take your leg one by one, or try to jump back, chaturanga. Just lay down on your belly. Inhale, up facing dog, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Change your leg, inhale, step your foot front, left or right. And exhale, press your back heel down, heels aligned. So, left hand in, right hand on the back, open right shoulder. And keep pressing outer edge of your back foot to keep your leg active. Open pelvis, open shoulder, open knee, hip front. Simple one, just hold. You can use floor. or more simple forearm.
Okay.
So just hold here, or you can start stretching your front leg. And keep your upper shoulder open when you stretch your front leg. Hand on back, up or on your thigh. Open your shoulder more. Your shoulder open more. Simple variation, hand on back, left front, stretch back, or hand on your left thigh. Just back leg as high as possible, and down shoulder close to your down knee. पैर ऊपर खुलेगा, शोल्डर ऊपर खुलेगा. 5, 4, 3, 2, breathe inhale. And exhale, bend your front knee, again back foot down. Adjust your front knee heel. Same, simple one. One hand back, one up, or interlock your fingers behind back. Your navel facing my side, roll your thigh out. So front knee open, facing front. ये वाला जाएगा इसका. So stretch your front side. Your navel facing my side. Yes, navel facing my side. Keep more down, keep your front knee bent. If you are tired, you can stretch your front leg. Hold 3 more. 3, 2, 1, and exhale. Left shoulder in, hold your ankle, right hand on back or right hand down. Lift your back heel up first. So whenever you are comfortable here, one hand back and another, or both. Or you can stretch your arms outside. Keep your left shoulder in. Back heel up, back leg straight, active. 5, 4, 3, 1. And just release this way, chaturanga, or press your palms, hips up, foot out, knee close your elbow, shoulder. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale. Chaturanga. Inhale, up facing dog or cobra. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up, your right knee just behind your right hand, your foot just behind your left. Tuck your back toe in, stretch your leg. So first touch your right knee down, right foot down, back knee up. If you are comfortable here, then back knee down. Without moving your right heel. So hip down, back knee down. If you are not comfortable, you can bring your right heel in, so it's more easy. Roll your left thigh in, back thigh in. So press your left hip more down, back more straight. If you are comfortable here, go more forward. By pressing your left side. Press your left hip down, go straight. If you are comfortable here, you can turn to left side. Otherwise, go straight first. If you are comfortable, then turn to left. By pressing your left hip. So focus more on pressing your left hip and go forward versus going down. Without lifting your right hip if possible. Yeah, so right hip more back and now. बहुत लेगा पैर Inhale, chest up, straight arms. Tuck your back for in without moving your front foot. Hands more back. Tuck back for in. And push yourself more back. Yes, again, force back. Tuck, hands more back. Lift your hips and move more back. Without moving front foot. Easy, easy. Huh? Otherwise, just hold it. If you want to move more back, force more back. Tuck. Move more back. Then again, force climb, throw on that side, go more forward. Forward, left. Otherwise, keep your arms straight, just press this part, your hips. Go straight first, then turn to left. Hold 10 breaths. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, breathe inhale slowly. Come up. Keep pressing your feet down. Simple one. Straight arms, chest up. If you feel comfortable, right hand back. Keep your left hand in front. If you are comfortable here, left hand outside of your right knee, right hand outside of your back knee. If you are comfortable here, move your back and more back to your heart. So it's like back bending. You are going for back bending. So right hand more back towards the knee and calf. Open your back shoulder. 5, 4. You can use this hand to press. 1. Inhale, right hand front, left hand front, hold. Turn to right, right hand outside, straight or bend left leg front. Slow, straight or front. Left heel to your right hip, right knee bend, straight back. Hold here, simple. Stretch straight, stretch your left. If you are comfortable here, hold your foot, stretch your left. No round back. Here, here, here. So navel more up, chest more up, leg more up. When you are comfortable here, start bending your knee, push your knee back. Or you can do it. Or just hold your foot and push your knee back. Any variation you like. Your right foot on the left thigh, easy one. Left heel to your hip, right heel in. If you are comfortable here, open your left foot. So left foot just under the right knee. If you are comfortable here, right foot just over your left knee. So this is easy. Simple one, keep both heels in. More advanced, left foot out, this way straight. Go forward. If you are comfortable here, you can open your right foot out. the knees, heels in one line, then go forward, press right. Same, no round back, just go forward without lifting your hips. Just go forward versus going down. Heel in both heels in. Otherwise, simple cross legs and go forward. So when you go forward, go from navel. So you will feel more stretching on your hips. And if you round your back, you will not feel stretching. So keep your back straight and go forward. Just 3 more. 2, 1. Same, just keep holding here, or you can turn to right. Or just hold here, simple. Or just turn to right, same, go forward, press the right knee down. So which leg is up, turn that. No, that's fine. Which leg is up, turn that side, yes. Which is up, turn that side. Inhale, front, release. Just one more time. Right, left heel in, stretch right leg. Exhale, push your knee back. Keep back straight. If you are comfortable here, right shoulder in. This time you can round your back. Stretch right arm outside. If you are comfortable here, hold your foot from outside and stretch your leg. Open left shoulder, look over the left shoulder. Otherwise, just simple hold here. Straight leg. Just 4, 5 breaths. Here, just keep pushing your knee back. 4, 3, 2, 1. You can keep your knee back. Stretch your left leg front. Lift up. Lift up. Otherwise, simple release. Step, jump back to plank. Or you guys lift up. Left foot back. Right back. Let's just run it. Step by step. Yes. Lift it up. Right foot, left foot in. Then right back, left back. Then right back first, right back, then left back. Just lay down on your belly, chest up. So remember your leg, which leg we were practicing, right? Just turn opposite side, this leg up. So I was using left leg, you guys were using left, right?
Which leg up?
I was using right leg. So which leg you use here? Right, right? Yeah, so right leg. Just turn to left, right leg up. So remember your leg, we practicing same leg. Right.
We put our left leg.
Yeah, so we're using the same leg.
So right hand front, right leg up, left leg straight, body in one line. Simple one, just hold here, hold your big toe, or you can bend your knee, hold, here, same. Hold big toe from outside, stretch leg, or shoulder in, hold your heel, then press your leg down, hold toe. इस मंत्र को सीधा रखना। Exhale, release, hands down, just lay down on the belly, keep this leg up. Turn to belly, support your left foot, your right thigh. So this leg more straight, facing up, foot facing up. Or if you can, bend your knee, your foot to your head. Keep your chest down, or you can press your palm, lift your chest up. Only 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, release, up facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up, your knee just behind your hand, foot behind your right hand. Same simple one, just hold here, left knee down, foot down, back knee up, hip up. If you're comfortable here, hips back and down. You just roll your right thigh, press right hip down. So when you're comfortable, go forward. Go forward by pressing the right hip right side. If possible, without lifting the left hip. Left hip down, press right hip down. Go forward, then turn to left.
Same way to put you which leg
So
you
it's
have.
Okay.
Turn to right.
Again, which leg I have already.
Sorry.
Same way to put you like which leg you have.
Left. First we were practicing the right leg, so this time left.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right. If I remember seeing it.
So just go forward, then turn to right.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
To the side of the left, that is bent.
Turn right side. Towards your foot, yes.
Oh.
Not in, yes. Go forward first, this straight back. Press it. Yeah, press it.
It's
Inhale slowly back. Do one more time. Tuck the right toe in. Push your hips more back. Again, toes back. Tuck in. Push yourself back. Otherwise, just hold there. And exhale again. Go forward. Press right hip. Turn to right. Inhale back to center and up. Keep pressing the right foot down. Just simple hold here. Left hand back. So left hand outside of the knee. Right hand outside of the front knee. Your right hand on your left foot calf. Then press your palm. Back more straight. Move your left hand more back. And open back shoulder. Inhale back to center. Turn to left first. Straight leg or bend. So right feet to your left hip. Straight back. Hold it there. Stretch left leg. Right down. You come this way. Right down, left up. So which leg is front? That is up.
Holding my left leg outside.
So which?
Yeah.
Okay. So be here, right? Okay, look at me. Be here. Left front, right back. So we come up this way. Inhale.
I
So
see.
left goes up, right goes down.
So I think we need
So we did the wrong leg.
right.
Same. Just keep holding here or bending. Move in, out, holding this way or this way, and it will press deep. So left foot down, in, right leg in, or you can open your right foot. So whenever you're comfortable here, go forward. Same. Simple cross leg, go forward.
What's Sanskrit mean for this?
Swastika.
Swastika.
Swastikasana.
What is this called in English?
Simple cross leg.
I've heard it called fire log.
What?
Fire log?
Fire log.
Isn't fire log double pigeon? It's not como deco lots of double pigeon.
Same back center, stretch your leg up. Just hold here or bend your knee, shoulder in. Stretch left arm out, hold foot from outside, just stretch left. Otherwise, just hold here and straight leg. So push your knee more back. So knee just behind your shoulder, then it will be easy to stretch. If your knee is not going back, means you need to work more on opening your hips. Just 3 more. 2, 1, simple inhale, exhale, step back. Keep the knee behind your head, stretch right leg, inhale, exhale. Back, just lay down on your back. Turn the right, left leg up, forward. Go from the outside, foot, toe, heel, press leg down, any variation you like. Keep your down leg straight versus bend. If you bend your knee, it's easy to balance. If you keep your leg straight, it's hard to balance. Keep your leg straight, work on balancing too. Breathe, inhale, exhale, release, turn to your belly, left leg up, right foot to your left side. Keep left leg as straight as possible. If you're comfortable here, bend your left knee. Chest down, or you can press your palm, lift your chest up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, inhale, cobra facing. Round back, drop your elbows down, interlock your elbows. Arm front, interlock your fingers. Tuck your toes in, then stretch your legs, keep your heels high. And just press your shoulders back. Inhale, move front, chin or head to your hands or on your mat. Exhale, shoulders back. If you are comfortable here, you can walk your feet more in. Exhale back, inhale, move front. Only 5 times. Exhale, shoulders back. Inhale, move front. You can bend your knees. When you push your shoulders back, you can bend your knees. Just 3 more times. Inhale, move front. And exhale back. Inhale, move more front. And exhale, shoulders back. And last one, inhale, move front. Now stretch your legs back so your body straight in one line. Keep your legs active, engage your core and thighs. 5, 4, 3, 2. Right hand in, turn to right, hips up. So left foot on your right foot, or you can bend your knee, left leg straight, any variation you like. Keep your hips up. Left hand on your back, or you can stretch up. 5, 4, 3, Turn down, change your side with inhale. Right leg straight, bend or right foot on your left thigh, right arm up or on your back, hips up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again exhale. Lay down on your belly, keep your chest up, stretch your arms front one by one. And exhale. Just navel down, keep your chest up. Hold here or bend your knees. Fold your toes, ankles, shin more. Keep your thighs down, chest up. Simple one. Or thighs also up. Simple one, thighs down, chest up, head down. Flex your feet. Or thighs up, toes point. Open your legs, toes together, feet together. Fold. 5, 4, 3, 2. Exhale. Slowly down. Hands beside chest, navel inhale, up facing dog, round back, downward facing dog. Inhale, step or jump front. Lay down on your back, legs at 90 degree inhale. Exhale, bend your knees, feet down, heels close to your hips, open your knees outside. Your arms over your head or hands on your thighs. Knees up and together, arms overhead. Inhale, legs at 90 degrees straight. And without moving your feet, with exhale, just push your hips up. Inhale, hips down. Without moving your feet, in exhale, push your hips up. In exhale, hips down. Inhale, push your hips up. You inhale or exhale, just hips up without moving your feet. Exhale or inhale, hips down. With breathe, inhale or exhale, in any way you like. 10 times. Now, without moving your feet from 90 degrees. With inhale or exhale, push your hips up, then down with inhale or exhale. 5 more times. Three more. Just inhale, exhale, or inhale, lift your hips up. You can hold for 5 to 10 breaths and exhale down. Exhale, bend your knees, your heels about 1 feet from your far from your hips. Feet together, or you can separate about hip distance. Keep your arms overhead or arms front, palm facing down. Just press your feet with inhale, push your hips up to relax your belly. And exhale, hips down. 2 more times, inhale, just press your feet, push your thighs up, hips up, relax your belly. And exhale, slowly down, just 1 more time, inhale. And exhale, hips down. Inhale, stretch your legs at 90. Exhale, legs over your head. Arms over your head, hands on your back. Or you can stretch your arms in front of your fingers and press your hands down on the mat. Keep your chin up. And if you feel comfortable, you can roll your shoulders inward. Keep your arms straight on mat. With round back, if you can breathe easily, it's fine. Otherwise, keep your back straight. Without moving your neck, arms over your head, or on mat, or on your back if you need support. Inhale, legs out, one by one or together. Keep your chin more up and push your hips more up. Just 10 more breaths. Bend your knees, relax one by one or together. Slowly down in Halasana. Again, arms over your head first. Straight leg, or you can bend your knees. When you roll back, thighs close to your ribs. Slowly legs back to 90 degrees. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly legs down together, one by one, or you can bend. Matsyasana, counter pose, your hands under your hips or outside. Press your elbows, chest up, head back and in, stretch your throat. So body weight on your elbow. Press your elbow, then slowly release your neck, release your hand. Inhale, legs at 90. Straight or bend. Exhale, open your legs outside, front and down, 10 degree or 30. Inhale, up to 90. Exhale, open, down, 10. 15 times. Breathe as slow as possible. Straight leg, bend knees. 5 more. As slow as possible. 4, 3, 2. Inhale up to 90. Open your arms outside. Gaze straight, or you can bend your knees. Exhale, legs to right. Look up or look opposite. Press your left shoulder down. Both knees together. Close your right elbow. Inhale back center 90, straight or bend. Exhale to left. Inhale back to center 90, straight or bend. Exhale, change your side. Inhale back. Exhale to left. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale back center 90. Exhale slowly down. Again, arms over your head. Open your legs out and inhale up to 90. Exhale, front and down together, 10 degree or 30. Straight or bend. Open, inhale up to 90. Exhale, anti-clockwise 15 times. Five more. Last inhale up to 90. And exhale, legs to right. Keep your knees off the floor. Straight leg or you can bend. Knees, foot off the floor, look up or opposite. 5, 4. If possible, knees close to your elbow. If you are bending your knees, if straight leg, your foot close to your hand. So your feet close to your right hand. 2, 1. Up one by one together up to 90. Exhale, change your side. Same. Your knees close to your elbow, straight leg, your feet close to your hand. Look opposite or up without lifting your right shoulder. 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale 90. And exhale, legs over your head, arms over your head. Simple way. Inhale, roll up or hold your feet from outside or hold big toe. Inhale, roll up with straight leg. Hold with your toes or feet from outside. Otherwise, simple arms over head. Inhale, roll up. Roll, toes point. Hold your toes or feet from outside, straight leg or bending. Toes point. When you roll up, just toes point. So it will help to balance. You keep the legs straight, back straight, no round back. Again. Hold your calf, ankle or your feet from out, straight leg or bend knees, toes point. If you are comfortable here, don't hold tight, just touch from outside. Feet just 5 more. 4, 3, engage your abdominal muscles more, your thighs more. 2, 1, inhale, flex your feet, and exhale. Feet down, hips up. Easy inhale, hips down, legs up. Only 3 times exhale. Feet down, hips up, flex your feet. Hips down, inhale. And exhale. This time feet up, hips up. 5, 4, or only feet down, hips up. 3, 2, 1. And exhale, Savasana. Awareness on top of your head, then down to your toes. Relax each every body part. Gently move your toes and fingers. Feet together one by one. Interlock your fingers, stretch around shoulder head, toes point, chest slightly. Bend your left knee, turn to right. Slowly come up and sit. Keep your hands wherever it is or in prayer position.